Alright, welcome back everybody. I was going to continue with the chain of if-else statements, but right now we're going to go over some embedded if statements. So, and this is the example we've been using for quite a bit. I'm going to stick with it for right now. However, I'm going to put, you know what, I'm going to copy this real quick. I'm going to copy this just to keep it simple. And I'm going to say if x is equal to 7. And I'm also going to get rid of these braces. Alright, let's continue on. This number is 7. Alright. With a T. With a T. With a capital T here. Alright, I'm done with it. Alright. Let's go ahead and run this here. So what we have different now is an embedded if statement. So let's say I type in 7. Alright, so this, without tracing the whole thing, well, let's go ahead and just, this is true, 7 is greater than or equal to 5. This is also true, 7 is less than or equal to 10. Because this is an and both sides are true, this whole thing will be true. So it'll process through here, this is an average number value. Now does 7 equal 7? Remember, right now x is equal to 7. This is also printed, so we have an embedded if. Now let me slap in an else right here. Print line. This number is not 7. Oh, spelled it wrong. And semicolon. Okay, let's run this with the number 8. So let's see what happens. So when we type in 8 here, again this evaluates to true. So now the program goes through here. Does 8 equal 7? That is false, so therefore it's going to execute the else portion. Okay, so this is a different example. It's an embedded if. And yeah, so remember with the if or else, remember it's either going to execute this portion or this portion. Remember the else is always if this part is false. The else portion is if this thing evaluates to false. Yeah, that's it for this one. I'm going to add one more. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and copy this so it's cool quicker. I'm going to add this at the end, and I'm going to say terminate program. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and type in 11. Alright, it just immediately goes to terminate program. Alright, so is 11 greater than or equal to 5? True. Is 11 less than 10? Less than or equal to 10? False. So this entire expression evaluates to false. Therefore, this entire block of code gets skipped. And it goes straight to here, and that's what happens. That's why, so it doesn't even go to this if statement, because it gets skipped. And that's why neither one of these are going to get printed, because this entire block right here, everything inside here will get skipped. Because it's false. Now, if I had an else portion here, then things inside these braces will get printed instead. But I don't have that. That's an example. So this is just another example on if statements, and what I wanted to get across, I'm not going to demonstrate this one, is that you can have a series of if statements. If, you know, like this, and then have another if, and so forth and so forth. And if the if portion is the only, I'm not gonna, I'll just demonstrate it. If this confuses you, don't worry about it. I can just leave the if like this. You know, because it's just the next. I did say program statement or a block of code. It could also be the next conditional statement as well. But to not get confusing, the point is you can have a chain of ifs inside a chain of ifs inside a chain of ifs, and it goes on and on. Is there a better way to do this? Yes, there is, depending on what you're trying to do. We're not going to talk about that yet. But the point is that you can have a chain of ifs, and I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it the way it is, and I'm going to stop the video right here and continue on. Thank you for watching. I hope this cleared up the if-else statement a little bit, and that you can really get creative with just a couple of if statements. All right. We can't get fully creative yet. We still need to learn how to do the while loop. That's going to come up in a couple videos, which will kind of get you on your feet a little bit. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to make the next video shortly.